How many of you got the tool? I just sent a link on the WhatsApp. If you are not getting tool, or if you have ordered the tool but it is taking time delivering, so you can use the app. You can download it. You can download the tool in your phone and you can start using that tool. Okay. I'm just showing you. I have this tool in my phone also. So that is very like can be used if you are not having that tool. By the time you just open your
Ma'am, actually, I'm using laptop. I found another tool in Google, ma'am. Same.
you have the tool.
I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah.
in Google. I got.
You got tool, but in laptop now it is quite difficult to operate because that's not touch now. Like in phone you can see easily move the beads, but in tool, you show me your tool. You can share your screen. Show me your tool. I want to see which tool you are having. Yeah, that's also fine. Yeah, that is very good. Yeah, you can use this tool, right? Okay, now today I'll be just starting the work with drawing the beads and value of bead. So why I'm doing this work? Because drawing the bead is very fast. After that, I will show you one software. From there you can start practicing uh, image practice, which will help you to increase your calculation, or which will help you to increase your visualization. Fine. So first, I'm just opening the sharing the screen, and I'm just starting the whiteboard. So here, I'll be wait just a second so that I can see each and every student. Yeah. So see, if I these are the two rods, okay, which I showed you in the tool. This is the rod, this is the ones rod, and this is the tens rod. This is the ones rod from which we start making number 1, 2, 3. Okay. For drawing the beads, we always draw two rods. If I write one here, how many beads you will draw to represent one?
One bead.
One bead. Very good. So you will draw one bead like this. If I make, if I write two, how many beads you will draw?
Two
Two
beads.
beads.
Two beads. That's great. If I draw two rods and I write 5, how many beads you will make? 5 beads continuously.
One bead from up.
One bead.
One
bead.
bead in upper side. Great. If I write 6,
One
so
bead from up, one bead from down.
very good. 5 and 1, 6. This is your 6. So you got it. I'm just drawing the rods. You have to draw rods. Okay. And here I'll be writing the numbers. So see, I will not be taking so much time in doing this work with you. Within 15 minutes, I will wind up this work and we will move ahead. Okay. So try to do it fast. As you are a senior student, you can write fast also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do this work, and after that we'll match the answers also. Here you can go with 11 and 12 also, if you know this. Once you finish, you just tell me that I have done. Okay, I'm just observing that who is going to come first
I'm
in the
done, ma'am.
class. Done. Very good. Very good. And I can see only 4 videos on my screen. What about other student, huh?
Done, ma'am.
Done. Good.
Done, ma'am.
Janvi, yes, tell me, you raised your hand. Do you have any doubt?
I'm done. I'm done, ma'am.
Done. Okay, okay. All of you do it fast. Done? Okay. See, if I'm writing 1, I will draw 1 bead. If I'm writing 2, 2 beads. This is 3. This is 4. And I'm expecting you from all that your answer would be correct. This is 6, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1 here, and for 0, we do not make any bead. So this is 1, 0, 10. Now for double digit, you just observe the number below the rod. Suppose if you have to make number on this rod, this is 1, this is a tens rod, and it is written 1 below this. So you just draw 1 bead. Again, 1 is written below this rod, you just draw 1 bead. Now 1, and here 2. Okay. So how many of you got all the answers correct? Very good. Very good. All answers are correct? Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Just a second. Fine. Okay, now let's do next. I'm making more rods. And now I'll be giving you random numbers, okay? $21, 33, 46, 72, 63, 58, 34, 62, 75, 84, 99, 93, 91, 68, 94. Okay, do this work fast. You have already done? Those are raising their hands. Okay. Done?
Ma'am, I am done.
Oh, very good. Good, good, good. And
Ma'am,
rest-
I'm done.
Very good.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Good. Okay, fine. Let's match our answers, okay? So, 21. This is 33. 46. This is 72. This is 63. 58. This is how you represent these numbers on tool also, okay? 34. 62, 75, 84, 99, 93, 91, 68, 94. Done? And match your answers. How many of you are making mistakes? How many of you are making mistakes? Tell me. No? All are correct? Very good. Okay. So now see, if we have more than if we have a 3-digit number, then what do we do? I hope you got, and you will be able to represent all the numbers on the tool. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If I ask you to represent these numbers on the tool, I hope you will be able to represent. Okay. Now 3-digit number. Suppose if I make 3 rods and I have how to represent 100. See, below this rod 0. No, there's no need to make
Ma'am,
any
one
number.
but at the starting. That's it.
One at the left side. Only one.
Okay. So there's no bead below this rod. Sorry, there is no number below this rod, so there is no need to make any bead. Again, there is no number, there's a 0, there's no need to make any number. There's 1 below this rod, so you will be making 1. This is 100. If you have to represent 101, 101, okay, just check the number below the rod and make the beads. So I'm writing some numbers here. 426, 711, 285, 362, 723, 424, 895, 963. So draw beads of all these numbers.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
good evening, ma'am. I joined a bit late, ma'am. I mean, not a bit late, ma'am. I joined too late, ma'am, because I had a huge power cut since morning, like 3 o'clock,
Oh,
I guess.
okay,
Ma'am.
okay, okay. And start your video. I cannot see you.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Didn't notice that.
Okay. Hi, Shreyasi. See, we are just learning how to draw beads according to the numbers. Okay. So they have done single digit, double digit, and now they are doing triple digit. So I'm just telling you, suppose if I write 1 here, how will you draw? You will draw only 1 bead. Okay. If you have, if I write 5 here, so you will draw 1 bead here, right? On the above side. If you have double digit number like 96, so 9 here like this and 6 here. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this is how they are making bead. Now in case of 100, 0 below this rod, 0 below this rod, there's no need to make any bead. Now 1 below this rod, so you will draw 1 bead. In case of 101, so 1 0 1. So now there you have to make you have to draw beads of for all of these numbers. Yes, those are raising their hand. You have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Okay, I'm just waiting for other student to do. Very good. I can see 6 participants raised hand. Very good. Nice speed. So just give me some time. Let other finish the work. Okay. Then we'll match the answers, and after that we'll be doing next work.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, ask me.
Ma'am, like
First
I
tell me your
understood this
name.
identifying and I already completed them. But how we can add or subtract them in like tool, in the abacus tool?
I will be teaching you this thing. Don't worry. On the tool,
Okay, ma'am.
like yesterday I told you, na, single digit addition subtraction. So first I will be telling you single digit addition subtraction. After that, a double digit, triple digit, I will be telling you all the things. Don't worry. So I hope all of you have done.
Yes, ma'am. I also raised my hand.
Very good. Okay, now just let's match our answers. 323. Okay, now 426. Now 711. Now 285. 362. Okay, now 723. 424. 895. 963. Match your answers. I hope all answers will be correct. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am. It's correct.
Should I stop sharing my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll be sharing one software in front of you. So see, their beads will be flashing and you have to recognize the number as fast as you can. You know, this is going to help you. This is going to help you in increasing your speed while doing visualization. The more you recognize the number, the more and fine in a fine way you can imagine the beads. Okay, that is why we start recognizing the beads practice from this software. Like suppose if I play the number, I'm just telling you how you have to do. You have to make number on your hand also, so that you will be more focused in your work. Like numbers will be flashing: 1, 9, 6, 4, 7. Start doing it. Start. 4,
4,
6,
6,
4, 6,
6,
5,
5,
3, 1, 9, 5, 2, 8, 8, 7, 3, 1, 8, 5, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 6. Did you get it? And right now the speed is slow.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, I can increase the speed also. Number will be flashing more fast. You got it? So first 1, 2 round with slow speed. After that, I will increase the speed, and after that, double digit number. Okay. So you are ready? Unmute yourself. And you have to
Yes,
make
ma'am.
numbers on
Yes,
your
ma'am.
hands also. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
4,
9,
9, 1,
6,
4,
4,
4,
2,
2,
5,
5,
5,
2,
2,
7,
7,
3,
3,
9,
9,
5,
5,
5,
4,
4,
4,
9,
9,
9,
8,
8,
8,
6,
6,
8,
8,
8,
1,
1,
1,
7,
7,
7,
7,
6,
6,
6,
7,
4,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6, 5,
6,
6,
5,
5,
5,
1,
1,
1,
9,
9,
8,
8,
8,
1,
1,
1,
1.
Very good. Very good. In the starting, we make mistake, no problem. But what did I tell you? Make on your hands. Did you notice that I was continuously making this number on my hand? You will be more focused because you are watching in the screen. You have to recognize the number on the same way you have to make it on your hand. So again, this is related to concentration because you're continuously changing and you're making number. Try to make it on your hand. Okay.
Ma'am, I did it on my hands, ma'am, while
Yes,
learning.
yes.
It was fine.
Actually, I'm not able to see all the videos now. I keep sliding on my screen, but still, let's start. Okay, okay, it will stop. Wait, let me start it again.
five,
5,
4,
3,
3,
3,
2,
5,
2,
5,
5,
2,
2,
2,
8,
8,
8,
5,
5,
6, 5,
6,
6,
6,
2,
2,
9,
9,
8,
8,
8,
7,
7,
7,
6,
6,
2,
2,
2,
9,
9,
9,
6,
6,
6,
8,
8,
8,
1,
1,
1,
2,
2,
9,
9,
5,
5,
1,
1,
1,
9,
9,
1,
1,
1,
6,
6,
Excellent.
and done.
Yeah. Now, how many of you were finding difficult to correlate, like making numbers on the hand side by side? You have to recognize the number on this from the screen. So you were making some mistakes now. It happens, but slowly and
Yes, ma'am, 2 to
gradually,
3,
it will not happen after some time. Yeah, in the starting it happens, but it will help to increase your concentration, and after some time, when and I'm going to increase the speed also. So let's do it one more time.
8,
8,
3,
3,
2,
2,
7,
7,
9,
9,
4,
4,
5,
5,
5,
3,
3,
2,
2,
2,
4,
4,
4,
1,
1,
3,
3,
2,
2,
2,
1,
1,
6,
6,
4,
4,
7,
7,
1,
1,
6,
6,
6,
6,
5,
1,
1,
5, 1,
2,
2,
9,
8,
8,
8,
1,
1,
6,
6,
2,
2,
2,
4,
4,
4,
8,
8,
8,
Done. Now I'm going to increase the speed. Okay. Now I'm going to increase
Yes,
the
ma'am.
speed. Wait. it was 2000 and I'm going to make it 1500.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's see. The speed will be fast now. Let's start.
6,
7, 6,
4,
4,
4,
7,
7,
8,
9,
9,
9,
8,
8,
2,
2,
2,
3,
3,
5,
5,
5,
5,
1,
1,
7,
7,
7,
5,
5,
5,
9,
9,
6,
6,
6,
4,
4,
4,
6,
6,
6,
4,
4,
4,
7,
7,
7,
8,
8,
2,
2,
2,
9,
9,
9,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
8,
8,
6,
6,
6,
5,
5,
5,
7,
7,
9,
9.
9.
So how was it? Let's do it one more time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
8,
8,
6,
6,
6,
8,
8,
8,
8,
5,
5,
5,
7,
7,
7,
3,
3,
3,
9,
9,
9,
9,
8,
8,
8,
6,
6,
6,
6,
8,
8,
9,
9,
9,
5,
5,
5,
5,
8,
8,
8,
8,
4,
4,
3,
3,
1,
1,
1,
4,
4,
8,
8,
8,
6,
6,
4,
1,
5,
5,
1,
1,
4,
4,
3,
3,
3,
8,
8. Okay, ma'am.
Got it? Okay. Now
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
move to double digit. Okay, digit. Let's make it 2. Sorry, by mistake. Yeah, and rows. Let's make it 15 because it is the starting, and again I'm speed is 2000.
Ma'am,
Okay,
you can keep the speed the same only.
same. Okay, in the next round, let's do it in the
Next round, ma'am.
I'm going
24,
It's very difficult to make
18,
the double digit number on the hand.
14,
Oh,
62, 61,
87,
even I feel it
17,
difficult.
20, 41,
41,
37,
46,
88,
88,
88,
40,
40,
40,
52,
52,
51,
51.
It was difficult
Ma'am,
now.
too much mistakes, ma'am.
Yeah, in double digit, it is very difficult to make numbers on hand and you in speaking.
Both hands will be
Simultaneously, it
different,
is
ma'am.
actually very
Screen
difficult.
also will be
Yeah,
different.
yeah, and you know, right now speed is slow, but let's do it with this speed only. I'm just increasing the number of rows.
Ma'am, what do you mean by number of rows, ma'am? I mean, what will
Like
happen in that?
15 number flash na in the last round. Now 30 numbers will flash.
Okay, ma'am. 30 numbers will flash. Okay.
ma'am, that's 3 digit. I think.
Yes, ma'am.
18,
80,
82, 80,
70,
70,
79,
75,
79,
10,
6,
10,
10,
79,
70,
75,
36,
37,
37,
10,
10,
10,
10,
60,
95,
91, 52,
52,
65,
65,
12,
12,
12,
10,
10,
60,
63, 55,
55,
20,
24,
24,
29,
29,
28,
28,
38,
38,
93,
93,
51,
51,
90,
92,
90,
19,
38,
38, 52,
95,
95,
40,
46.
Yes. Okay. Done. you know, later on we will be using this software for addition subtraction. Right now beads are flashing now. After that number will be flashing, and you will be doing through visualization, like 3 will flash, 2 will flash. So you have to see the number and you have to add using imagination of the tool. Okay, later on I'll be telling you how to use this. Okay, now tell me, how many of you are having your tool? Show me your tool on the screen.
People with raised hands, ma'am. People with raised hands, ma'am.
Raise hand.
Those who
Actually,
don't have can lower their hands.
because there are 15 participants and I can see only very good in the phone. Good. I can see only 8 videos in my screen, and that is why. Yeah. If you have joined through laptop, you can download the tool in the phone. So now I'll be telling you how to use this tool. Okay. See, you have to keep your tool in flat surface, like you yourself. You have to keep your tool like this on floor or on table. You have to keep your tool in front of you like this. Okay, because you know you cannot hold the upper beads. You cannot hold the upper beads still, because they keep coming down now. So you have to keep your tool like this. Okay, and in front of you, and you will be, yeah, that's the correct way to keep your tool. Krishna Ditya, very good. Yeah, Shreyashi, very good. Correct way. You have to keep your tool like this only. Now, how to clear all the beads? Very good, Modita. Very good. Very good. So you got it. Now, how to keep all the beads clean? Make a pinch and drag it along the value bar. You have to keep your tool on the table. Make a pinch and drag it along the value bar. All beads in upper side will move up and downside will move down.
Ma'am, those who don't understand can use a pen, ma'am.
No, clear all the beads with pinch finger and use your left hand on the tool. No, okay, yeah, in this way. But you keep it in the on the table. After that, do this thing. Very good. Chelsea, do it one more time and show it to everyone. Yes. See how you have to do. Yeah, make a pinch and drag it along the belly bar. All beads will be set. Krishnaditya, did you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now move upper beads in upper side. They should not come down. They should not touch the value bar. Okay. Clear the bead. Yeah. When I say clear the beads, that means upper bead in up and lower beads down. Upper beads up, lower beads down. Okay. Now how to add the numbers. You know, I told you how to add the numbers. So you are ready? If I on tool. See the thing which I'm going to tell you. The more you practice on tool, the more fast visual you can do. You have to do question on tool very fast. If you can do, you know how you can imagine how you, when you touch anything now, you can imagine that thing as it is. Okay, you know what is the difference between imagination and visualization? What is the difference between imagine and visual?
Visual means seeing, imagine means imagining in imagination.
Yeah, you can imagine everything. Though you have not seen, but still you can imagine anything. You can imagine anything. If you have not been to Canada, na, if I tell you imagine snow, imagine tree, you can imagine. But but you can visualize a thing which you have seen. You know, if I ask you to imagine
Visualization is something we have viewed.
yeah,
already viewed something.
you have seen already. Yeah, you know. So when I say imagine your kitchen, how do you imagine your kitchen? You imagine
Am I seeing it?
yeah, a gas is written. You don't imagine a new kitchen.
Counter.
Na? You when you close your eyes, you can imagine your kitchen as it is. Where all the things are kept, you can imagine as it is. right? So that is visual. So when you practice on the tool, beads will be clear in your mind. So it's not like that only small kids can do. Even I can, if I can imagine the rod very clearly in this age also. The center rod, if you ask me, when I close my eyes, I can imagine each and every bead on the single rod. So it depends on the practice. So now let's start doing question on the tool. Two beads up and use left hand. Again and again I'm saying left hand. 2 beads up with the thumb. Yeah. If you have tool, move your screen down. I want to see. Yeah, like this. I'll be observing your finger movement. Finger movement should be clear. So 2 again plus 2 with thumb. Very good. Now -1 with index finger. So lower bead up with thumb, down with index finger. Keep in this thing in mind. Up with thumb, down with index finger. Up with thumb, down with index finger. And for upper bead 5, add 5, down with finger, and -5 remove with finger. So on upper bead you use only index finger. Okay. Yeah. So what is the answer? 3. Answer is, sorry. Yeah, answer is 3. I said -1. You were having 4 now. From 4 I said -1. Yeah. Okay. Let's do again. When you all will be having tool now, I'll be speaking very fast and I'll be checking all the answers. Okay. Ready? So let's do. 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Answer?
8. 8, ma'am.
8. Very good. 8 is the correct answer. Clear the beads. From the next time, I will keep my tool with me. So we will check who is doing fast on the tool. Okay. Let's do again. Clear the beads. Okay. 4 minus 2 minus 1 plus 3 plus 5 minus 2 minus 1. Answer?
6.
6. Satvik, we have to make 6 like this. If you're representing 6, make like this. Okay. Yeah. Clear the beads. Very good. Clear the beads. Done. Let's do next question. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1. Answer?
I'm 7.
5.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Let me open my tool.
Ma'am, my laptop screen is down, ma'am. That's why that at that time I'm not able to unmute myself, ma'am. My hand
No
is
problem.
somewhere,
No
ma'am.
problem.
That's the reason.
You can, there's no need to. Okay. Ready?
That's the reason I'm showing the signs, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, fine. Yeah, if your screen is down, I'm able to see your tool actually. Ready? Okay, I'm also doing. Can you see my screen? Okay, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 3. Answer.
8.
9.
Wrong.
9. 9.
9 is the correct
9,
answer.
ma'am. 9.
9 is the correct answer. Let's do next question. Ready? 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 minus 1. Answer. 8.
8.
8, ma'am.
Good. Okay, now see. I hope you are able to see my screen. I'm just telling you, wait, how to subtract 6 or 7. Let's say 2 plus 2 plus 5. Now I have to subtract 6. So 1 from upper side and 1 from lower side. On tool, we do like this, pinch out. Okay. Now minus 1 plus 6. Plus 6. How do we do plus 6? Pinch in. 1 bead from upper side, 1 bead from lower side. So what is the answer?
8.
8. Next question. Clear the beads. 1 plus 7. Now how to add 7? 1 bead from upper side, 2 beads from lower side. The answer is 8 right now. Okay, now plus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, plus 1, plus 5, plus 1. Answer.
8.
8. Very good. So you should be very quick. Okay. On tool we can do very fast. See, let's start another. 1 plus 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 minus 5 plus 1. Answer.
4.
4. Correct. So, can you see my speed on the tool? How I'm
Ma'am,
moving the
I'll go
tool?
and Ma'am, I'll go and bring phone, ma'am. It's hard in laptop.
Yeah, I know it's very hard to use this tool on laptop. In phone you can use easily. Let's start again. Okay, you can move your screen up so that you can watch me doing sums on my tool. Make your screen straight.
Ma'am, I can see it, ma'am. Still, ma'am.
You can see it?
Fingers
Okay,
down.
okay, that's
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Yeah. So now try to observe me and side by side do question on your tool. Okay, let's start. 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 minus 5 minus 2 minus 1. Answer.
1.
1. Very good. So now this speed is going there to be in the class. Okay. I'm going to maintain this speed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Even I can go more fast. 3 plus 1 plus 5 minus 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 7. Answer. What is the answer?
2.
Tell me. 2.
2,
Good.
ma'am.
I hope you all are doing on your tool. Okay. And try to get correct answer. I'm not saying anything because it is the first class. So I know you will be facing problem. Okay. But once your fingers are set on the tool, you will be doing very fast. Okay. My fingers are set on tool. That's why I can do fast on this digital tool also. Yeah, I can see her Satvik's tool on phone. Okay, 3 plus 1 plus 5 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 5. Answer. What is the
6.
answer? 6. Great. But I just got one voice. I want this answer from everyone. Nah?
6, ma'am. It's 6, ma'am. I
Yes,
also
6.
got 6.
Yes. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 1 plus 2. Answer.
7.
7.
7. Great.
7,
Great,
7, 7.
Clear the beads. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 minus 6 minus 1 minus 1. Answer.
1.
1.
1.
Very good. Now you will not be watching my tool. Okay, I'm going to ask. I'm doing on my tool, you are doing on your tool. I'm just going to ask the answers. Okay, let's start. 2 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus 2. Answer.
3.
Answer.
3.
3. Yes. See, Vedika.
Ma'am, got stuck somewhere, ma'am.
And
Really,
yes,
I remember
and you
that
know,
the
I'm telling you direct question. Right now, no complement is there. Okay, let's start again. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1. Answer.
2.
2. 2. Okay.
Very good. Yeah, now 2 is the correct answer. Beats clear? Done? Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 1 plus 7 answer. Shasi, wrong. Wrong answer. What is the answer?
I got stuck in the middle.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
9 is the answer. 9 is the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Now, let's do 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 7.
2.
2.
2.
Good.
Oh, ma'am.
Good. Good. Next question. 3 plus 6 minus 3 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1. Answer.
8.
8.
8.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Next question. 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 minus 3. Answer.
6.
7.
6.
6 is the correct answer.
7. 7.
6 is the correct answer. Next question. No problem. See, you would be doing mistake. Don't worry. It's very natural. Okay. After 2 to 3 classes, you will be able to find correct answer and you will be able to maintain the speed. Okay. Let's start. 2 plus 6 plus 1 minus 6. Answer.
3.
3. Correct. 3 is the correct answer. Next question. 1 plus 6 plus 2 minus 5 minus 2. Answer.
2.
2.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. 1 plus 6 plus 2 minus 3. Answer.
6.
6.
Very good.
6.
Let's do next. 7 plus 2 minus 5 minus 1. Answer.
3.
3.
Clear the beats. Next question. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. Answer.
9.
9. Good. Clear the beats. 3 plus 1 plus 5. Answer.
9.
9.
9. Very good. Very good. Very good. Next question. 4 plus 5 minus 3 minus 5 plus 2. Answer.
3.
3.
3.
Good. 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 4 plus 5 minus 3 minus 5 plus 1. Answer.
2.
2.
2.
Great. 2. Next. 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2. Answer.
9.
9.
9. Very good. Okay, from the next class, I'll be before the class, I'll be sending you sheet. So I hope you will be able to get the printout. How many of you can get the printout?
Not me, ma'am.
Mom, I can, but I don't have it.
Ma'am, I can.
If listen, if you are not able to get the printout, you just download the sheet and write the question on your copy. This is also possible. Okay, then there is no problem. Quite simple question will be there. You just download the PDF and you write the question in your copy. No problem. Okay. And if you have phone and laptop both, then there's no problem. You can read the question from PDF only. There's no problem. Okay. Fine. So next
Yes.
question. 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 5 minus 1. Answer.
3.
3.
Good.
3.
Clear the beans. Okay. 2 plus 5 plus 2 minus 5 minus 1 minus 1 plus 5 plus 1. Answer.
8.
8.
8.
8 is the correct answer. Next question. Now 4 plus 5 minus 2 minus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 minus 3. Answer?
6.
6. Correct answer. Let's do next question. 1 plus 7 plus 1 minus 8 minus 1 plus 9. Answer?
9.
9.
9. Great. Okay, next question. Here the beads. Next question. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 minus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Answer?
3.
3. Great,
Nice
great.
answer, ma'am.
Next question. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.
9.
9.
9.
Okay, next question. Clear the beads. 7 plus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 1. Answer?
2.
2. Great. So now we are going to meet in the next class. Okay. And in the next class, we will start our work. I'll be sending you sheets, and if you can download your wish, if you want to write your wish, but we will start our work from the next class. You will be getting your sheet before the next class or before every class. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
now I will be ending the class.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye bye.